The 2023 Kia Niro EV arrives as a second-generation model with an array of improvements, both functional and aesthetic. With an MSRP starting at $39,450, the crossover aims to strike a balance between affordability and high-end features. Available in two trims, Niro EV Wind and Niro EV Wave, this revamped model offers an EPA-estimated range of 253 miles on a single charge, thanks to its 64.8 kilowatt-hour battery. Additionally, its fast-charging capability can bring the battery from 10% to 80% in under 45 minutes, making it a more practical option for those concerned about charging time. Design-wise, the new Niro EV embodies Kia's Opposites United philosophy, blending nature-inspired elements with aerodynamic functionality. The car retains its compact footprint while growing incrementally in size. Inside, the Upscale Materials include seats made from biopolyurethane and Tencel, as well as a headliner from reconditioned wallpaper, emphasizing Kia's commitment to sustainability. Dual 10.25-inch screens dominate the dashboard, offering advanced infotainment and cluster options, while an optional 8-speaker Harman Kardon sound system enhances the acoustic experience. Safety and driver assistance have not been neglected either. Standard features include blind spot collision avoidance, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance, forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, and lane following assist. The Niro EV also offers the Preserve package, which equips the vehicle for cold weather challenges by adding heated rear seats and a heat pump. These features collectively make the Niro EV a formidable competitor in the electric vehicle space. The exterior carries a refreshed but evolutionary design, pulling inspiration from the 2019 Habanero concept. Unique LED lighting and the signature tiger nose grille add to its distinctiveness, while aerodynamic elements like the aero blade on the side profile contribute to its efficiency. Interestingly, the Niro EV distinguishes itself from its hybrid counterparts through steel gray or black exterior trim options, providing customers more customization choices. Size-wise, the 2023 Niro EV has managed to increase its overall length, wheelbase, and cargo capacity, making it more spacious than before. In fact, Kia claims the new Niro offers 8 more cubic feet of passenger room and 50% more cargo space than the Tesla Model 3. This added roominess adds an extra layer of comfort, making it a compelling choice for those looking for more space in a compact electric vehicle. Inside, the Niro EV continues to push boundaries with its Avant-Garde and Eco-Friendly interior. The cabin is made from vegan textiles, and even the paint used on door panels is BTX-free to minimize environmental impact. Such details reinforce the Niro EV's positioning as a vehicle that's both stylish and conscious of its ecological footprint. Additional touches like ambient mood lighting and active sound design further enhance the driving and riding experience. The 2023 Niro EV is not short on technology. Alongside standard features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it also offers a range of advanced vehicle technologies like customizable settings via its in-dash infotainment system and various driving assist features. A host of smart functionalities like over-the-air updates, stolen vehicle recovery, and Digital Key 2.0 make this vehicle not just an electric car, but a connected, modern mobility solution. All these elements combined make the 2023 Kia Niro EV a well-rounded package, offering robust features, design innovation, and practical benefits in the increasingly competitive electric vehicle market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.